Sink is dirty. Toilet bowl is dirty. No trim put on the corner beads. Not painted, not silicone. No trim in the back. Over here behind the door, Bert, please come in here. Screw hole showing. Mud on the walls. Same thing down here, son. Just so Shannon knows. No fixtures put on, towel rack thing. Put it into the front bedroom. This is habitable, eh? Well, I called bullshit Shannon this morning, I told you. Someone's lying through their teeth. And it isn't me. See it for yourself. They say they cleaned the house. I know not. Keep coming. I've already done this. I'll do another one here. Pardon me, Roy, but this is not the cat that chewed your new shoes. Come on, let's go, Shannon. Here's the bedroom, master bedroom. Toilet door there. Shelving here. Come on in, please. They took the trim off down and around in here. No trim put back in. Why? I don't know. These are the cupboards here. That have to go in under here. Why would somebody charge an insurance company? I know the plumbing's been changed and he's going to tell you, well, the shelving's got to go back in there underneath. So why would somebody do everything twice, Shannon? Take the drawers out, everything. I know they have to be cut because of the plumbing change. Okay? The guy was here all day putting trim on, downstripping, he said. So why wouldn't their guy that was set up in the carport doing all this do that? Look. Look at the toilet bowls. I'm really sorry. They turned around, they cut all the caulking out around my vanity because they said they were going to take it out. But they didn't. They loosened the top and stuff. They took all these doors out. Let's go to the showers around here, please. They told their plumber to come in and take everything off. These had all been removed. Okay? You could have left that on. Put the drywall back in. Door not on, medicine cabinet, curtain rod's not up. Shower dirty as hell. It's insane that a guy would blatantly lie to me this morning and tell me that my home is habitable for my wife and I tonight. Shannon, I didn't lie to you. I'm not a liar and I'm not a bullshitter. There's a couple things in life I don't like. Somebody that lies to me and somebody that doesn't do what they're supposed to do when they tell you they're going to do it. My wife and I will probably be in a hotel for a couple more weeks. And I know for a fact, I went to Home Depot today and wasted 3 hours. Went in there on the 6th of February, talked to a lady by the name of Leanne. She told me that my material for my floor, the hardwood, laminate, was a special order. I didn't have the copies with me that I gave to Tyson because he has them. So I did the legwork today, March 22nd, Friday. Went to Home Depot, talked to Leanne, talked to another lady by the name of Kathy. They knew nothing about it. I drove back, 2 miles across town, went to Home Depot. Or went to Onside. Nobody there but an old man. No Tyson, no Jeff, no nothing. Got him to dig out a copy of my invoice for my flooring. Back in Home Depot. We phoned Jeff, she looked it up. Yeah, they've ordered 15 cartons of laminate for the front bedroom and for the master bedroom. And 2 pieces of 72-inch transition strip. Great, fine and dandy. I want to know what date it was ordered on. Because they told me, and Tyson knew, I dropped that stuff on the 6th of February off to him at Onside in Kelowna. And if they don't go in and purchase it and order it, Home Depot will not bring it in. It's a special order. I want to know the date that stuff was ordered. Because someone's bullshitting the troops. Shannon, it's gone too far. Onside's offside. And I'll tell you, if they don't get their act together, I'm going to Global News. I'll hide no names. You've been really good to me. Aviva's been really good to me. I can't complain one bit. But Onside restoration, you insurance companies need somebody up here to check on all your restoration companies. I'll tell you what, you pay me $84,000 a year and give me a camera and a car, and I'll go around and check on these guys, and I'll tell you what, I'll save you insurance companies $1 million a year. Hands down. I ain't no dummy. Get on them, Shannon. You got it from the gospel. I'm not lying to you. Thank you very much for your time.